young fella couldn't find his hammer. So I did come down to the end of the track down here and just took a look around what we were offloading and loading up. Other than that, and I was
you know what? Use these. Put one of these up, and then just mark the sides. Fuck it. Great. We need to get down here and clean all this out here. Yeah. You guys run the man lifts in from that side again?
Yeah. So we had the smaller ones. Buddy, I had to drive one of these from the yard.
Yeah. Long wave.
Like day today.
Yeah. Battery weighs more than the saw.
That battery came after this. We got this one after. So now we got two of these, right?
I got the plank, I got the board if you want to take it down. Ready. I don't want to be an asshole, but Joe told me I'm supposed to be on your ass about standing around. Freddie! I'm only joking.